Okay, so we're gonna be going directly down that street right there, and we're in this let's see what the name is. Qingyun. This is Qingyun Fun everywhere in here. So this is kind of a main street in this space. You got a Dairy Queen, you got a Starbucks, you got Haiti, you got all kinds of stuff. You have a bar street not too far, you got a pedestrian street, you have kind of a clothing street, you got like a little food court in here. But we're gonna be going down that street, and we'll probably tap into all those things in a little bit and part of this as well. So stay tuned for a little taste of Guiyang. And I'm being filmed right here by somebody right there.
We're in Guiyang, and I have the map behind me of this little neighborhood that I've been exploring the last few videos. And now in this particular video, I know it better. I kind of explored this area a little bit, and now I'm going to kind of more extensively go around it with all the information that I know that I've been picking up. And Guiyang is just such a cool city. I have lots of links down below so you can see those, and of the city as well, because I have 15 total, and this is going to be number 12. So I just got a couple left, and then I'll complete the series that I'm uploading. So I still got a few more if you want to subscribe. And lastly, I'm gonna set it to music so you can hear a song that I created with AI and just kind of get the highlights of it. And then I do the walk and talk, which is also interesting too, because then you can hear me interact with the camera and make all the observations, connections of this area. Nonetheless, Guiyang, China, let's go check it out.
Oh, Guiyang. Oh, yeah, Guiyang. I wanna see you, Guiyang. Show me, show me, show me.
I think I'm still being filmed. So we're gonna start here. I'm kind of getting, I'm not getting filmed a lot, I'm getting stared at a lot though. That looks like a Westerner. Actually, I think not. There's a girl that looked like her hair looked like kind of Western hairstyle, Western hair color, but sometimes they'll color their hair. So we're gonna go down this one. I think it's called Mao Gai, which I mispronounced. Let me just kind of give you a little bit of an idea. So this is a little square in here. A little Coca-Cola train right there, and then this I love GY Guiyang. I think I'm being filmed by her as well. She isn't filming me. But actually, to be fair, people are filming a lot in this space, so I'm sure they're filming me too. But so this is the street that I wanted to film right here. And then we'll kind of move around a little bit and give you more ideas of some of the other areas as well. And I think, oh, this one is adjacent to the food court area. So we're gonna actually tie this into the food court as well. And then this one will kind of meander in a little bit, meander in and out. So we'll see exactly in a minute. So you see some of the food court areas in there. Yeah, as far as the street goes, oh, I think I did tap into this briefly in one of the other videos that I did of this area, but not where I'm standing. Here's a YouTuber down here. Somebody with a camera capturing it all. Oh, he's capturing. And we got this food court area in here. I was actually going to show you that anyways. I had this one earlier. A little dry. But I was surprised I haven't really got is a lot of things that like China seems to have more, seem to really like noodles a lot. So I don't always get, oh, he's filming the girl. Must be his girlfriend. So they must be doing a video. North Gate. This is basically where we are, but I guess it's also called Central Square. And I guess this is the whole area, so I think Bar Street was maybe this one. No, this is Bar Street, I think, and then this was so okay. Hello. Hello. How are you? I've been getting that a lot. People coming up behind me and watching what I'm filming. I wasn't really filming, just the signs, but he was really interested in that. That lady just tapped somebody on the knee when I went by. First foreigner that many people have seen. But I think I'm equally mesmerizing because I'm walking around the camera. I should get, I've been eating different Guiyang food all day. I might have to get some more. So once I saw that map, I can see this is actually one of the main little streets. And it's kind of centered around this food court area. So I'll probably come back in here in a minute, but I'm gonna go around the corner briefly. Almost there anyways. So in some of the other videos I have went in these different directions. Bar Street's all the way down that way. I haven't went all the way down here though. But that was kind of the main, this is Mao Gai. I want you to be happy forever. There's kind of a lot of like bar talk stuff. So they use English. It's kind of like fun bar phrase words, which kind of implies that it's kind of a bar district. So we're gonna walk right out of the bar out of that little space. And one of the things I wanted to do was come back to the pedestrian street. Oh, those lights are... The other one, I think this is the end of the street. But once we get to here, we're gonna take a left. It's funny that she has that little spot like that. So this whole space has this pedestrian street, walking street area. A lot of people take photos right there. And this is the pedestrian street. My battery died, so I might have said that twice. Okay. So we are going to walk through this pedestrian street. There's a foreigner. I think I saw one foreigner earlier on Erqi Street. I saw that he looked like a German-looking guy, looked like it, with a wife, older guy. I also saw two mixed kids. I think I didn't have my camera on at that time, but they were speaking to their mom, and they looked half Chinese. And then that girl right there was number 3. There was one that I saw on the back of their head that looked like she could have been a foreigner, but I think it was just a hair color. So we're walking down the pedestrian street now, and I'm going to go back into that lively area, film some more, because it really is a cool street. Cool area. This is definitely the part of Guiyang where people should try to find a hotel. I got an amazing hotel in Guiyang. If you've been watching my Guiyang videos, it's the first Guiyang video. But the location isn't it's like about 2 kilometers from here. It's not bad, but it's not right here. That'd be amazing, because I have a really amazing hotel room, and I would love to like sit in that hotel room and just kind of look down at everything and see this. Okay, but this is pretty cool. Actually, I like it because it has like eating and it has restaurants and a walking street all together. So when I was in other areas, it wasn't like that. Like Chengdu had a pretty big pedestrian area, but the bar area stuff is pretty far removed, and the restaurants were kind of removed as well. But here, all 3 are together. So we're gonna come back into that main square that we were at earlier. And we will find some kind of end. Actually, you know what? I was gonna walk all the way down to the bar street and the other street just so you have full connectivity. So this is where we just walked down. We walked down this street with all the Lanterns up ahead. And this is this giant plaza right here. And that goes into that food court area right there. It's funny. A lot of people really notice the camera here. Where when I'm in Macau, people don't really seem to notice or care that much. Sometimes. When I do, it's always positive. Here too. So that's the Bar Street. I don't know if they're gonna go left or right. So that's the Bar Street right there. And I did film this separately. Bar Street. And we're gonna go down here and kind of conclude down here. It's a giant restaurant. Like a waiting list. Okay, so we're just gonna go up a little bit further. And this is the other street. It's called like Wuhang or Wuchang. Anyways. Yeah, Wutong Street, right up there. Wutong Tree Street, it says. And then you can see this other sign that says Wutong Street. Okay, so we're gonna end it there. Slice of Guiyang.